Yeah, I don't know how people do this. This is really weird, and I feel like people are watching me like, what the hell is that crazy woman doing? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a vlog day. I am having a self-care day and I'm gonna vlog it. This is my first time vlogging, so if it's a little weird, I'm just adjusting and I'm just kind of showing off my living room. We still have our Christmas tree up, don't judge. But yeah, so I'm about to walk Cole. Cole, say hi, baby. Hi. This is my honey bun. I'm about to walk him. And then I'm going to go get lashes for the first time. And individuals by like a licensed person, because I used to get lashes done at like a nail salon and that was just the whole thing. So I'm really excited to like actually have someone who knows what they're doing, like do my lashes. Because as you can see, I don't really have any. So as I stated previously, I am taking a self-care day. So this week was really terrible for me. And you guys know I'm a teacher. And so we are in the first few weeks of the second semester and I still have not taken a day. And I just felt like I was going to implode if I did not. And that's words of like my coworkers, like my mentors. So they just recommended that I take off. So I took off today. It's a Friday. And I'm going to go get my lashes done, get my nails done. I'm going to the movies. I'm going to treat myself to lunch. So yeah, I'm going to take you guys on the journey. I'm not sure if I'm going to drive and vlog, maybe a little bit, tad bit. But yeah, so like I said, that's what's going to be happening. Also, if the camera quality is a little weird, it's because I'm vlogging on my phone, which I don't know. I don't have like a proper vlogging camera. I have a DSLR camera, like a Canon Rebel T3, and it's way too big to like carry around. I don't want to look like a crazy person, so I just have my phone on this little like holder. Yeah, I don't know how people do this. This is really weird, and I feel like people are watching me like, what the hell is that crazy woman doing? But yeah, so that is it. That is what's happening. I just basically checked the time, and if I were to leave now, I would be like 45 minutes early, which isn't bad because traffic and Chicago drivers are literally probably the worst in the United States of America. But I decided that I wanted to give you guys like a little outfit review, kind of show you what I'm wearing. All right, y'all, I've been trying to get this shot for God knows how long. I just recorded on my DSLR and it's not working. I don't know what's happening. So I'm just gonna keep shooting with this. So I'm wearing a turtleneck that's kind of a taupe color, a taupe-ish color, camel, I guess you could say. This lighting is trash, please forgive me. And it is, it says Beverly Hills, Los Angeles, and it has an American flag, and it's really comfortable, and it was like $8, and I'll try to link everything in the description. And then I'm just wearing like my little North Face parka that I got from the North Face store because it is really cold outside, and I only purchased this coat because it is freezing out here. I'm wearing just my little Old Faithfuls, my Vans, and so I'm wearing my little cargo pant jogger type things, really comfortable, really stretchy. Got these from Amazon. Yep. All right, so I just have been trying to set up my camera in my car for like the past 10 minutes. It's just not working. Vlogging is really hard. This is really hard. I can't get my camera to like my phone compartment to latch on to one of the vents in my car so it can be stable while I'm driving. But you know what? I have to get to where I'm going, so I'm just going to record when I get there. I'll be sure to make sure I have a proper compartment the next time I try to vlog so it can be stable and this can be smooth. And then one day I'll be able to just get a vlogging camera and all of this will go away. Hi, yeah, this is Jacqueline. Jacqueline did my lashes and they look incredible.
So my name is Jackie and I have a lash business, so Lash by Jackie. You can follow me on Instagram. It's 2 G's, I believe. And yeah, I do volume and natural lashes, so hit me up if you want your lashes done.
Yeah, and she is the bomb. I fell asleep because it was so nice. I'm gonna put her Instagram and my bio. Okay. Yeah, she did a really good job. I fell asleep. I kept waking up. I kept waking up to the sound of myself snoring. So yeah, that just lets you know that she has a very light hand, and she's in the Chicago area. So if you live in Chicago, I will link her below. And she was very inexpensive, like the cheapest that I've seen. All right, so I decided that the name officially of this vlog, I had this like while I was sleeping, I had this little epiphany. The official name of this vlog is gonna be Treat Yourself. Treat Yourself. So phase 1 of Treat Yourself is done. So I'm going to head over to the nail salon. I'm going to get my nails done. I used to be a nail biter, so I'm very proud of the length that I've attained over the years. I also used to get really, really long, like very long nails, like the fake nail that they glue onto your nail. I used to tell them not to even cut it. That's how long I used to get my nails. And then last year I was like, you know, I want to grow my real nails out, and I did. And I've been kind of maintaining. But now I want something nice. I just want like a color or something. So I think I'm going to get maybe do dip nails so I can grow my nails out with some really pretty color. I don't know. So I'm gonna get that done, and then I'm gonna get a pedicure. And then I'll see y'all after that. So. Walking in now, so here we go. Dip nail and pedicure. Yep. Okay, so my nails are done. I just got a really pretty pink nude for my first set in like over a year. So here are my toes, light pink, with my little slippers on. So phase 2 of Treat Yourself is over and done. Now on to phase 3 of Treat Yourself. Phase 3 is Chipotle. Phase 4 is the movies. Again, I am so weirded out by doing this outside in the public. But yeah, so to Chipotle we go. I'm trying to get into this parking spot, and this man and this woman are arguing. Dear God, please. You guys, I can't make this up. I just want to park so I can get my Chipotle and make my movie. But I promise you guys, this is why I decided to start my channel back, because there's something like this in Chicago like every day. It's like stuff like this in Chicago every day.
Are you threatening me? That's what you do. You threaten me.
Thank you. Ooh, child, the ghetto. Oh, child, the ghetto. I just finished phase 3 of Treat Yourself. I just got my Chipotle, and I'm about to put her in my very cute, very big purse. I gotta take my Vans out from the nail salon. I just don't believe in wearing tennis shoes after you get your toes done. I don't know. It's just like a hate crime to me. Got to use my baby, my Old Faithful. I used her a lot in college, but not so much now. And boom! Who gonna clock me, boo? Who gonna clock me? You see, who gonna check me? Nobody. So that's that on that. But yeah, so I got into the theater, got my Chipotle, needed to come potty, to go to the bathroom. I say potty because pre-K, but you know. So yeah, it's time to go see Bad Boys. And every time I move, this thing comes on. So update, there's a blizzard outside. I just finished the movie. But yeah, I'll give you guys a look of how it looks outside now. These weren't the best idea. My feet are freezing. Oh yeah, so it's now snowing. Okay, so phase 4 of my treat yourself day is done. The movie, I would give it like an 8.5 out of 10. It was really good. I am completely like snowed into my car. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, like that's completely covered in snow. I don't know what happened in the past couple of hours, but I'm going to have to like get this off my car, like hopefully. Okay, well that worked. So I only live like literally a couple like minutes away, like 1 minute away, so I just got to drive really safely. But yeah, it is like a hot mess outside, and I can't like roll my window down because the snow like will stay in place. So So it is officially the next day. I decided to come home after I walked Cole and just go to sleep. I was exhausted. So I'm going to close the vlog out now. I do want to say that yesterday was very important to me. That's why I filmed it. I know it might seem like a kind of lackluster video, but self-care was just something that I really wanted to stress to you guys as far as like it being really important. And like it doesn't have to look like how it looked for me. It can be reading a book or sleeping or saying, okay, I will put that work to the side for a few hours and do what I want to do. So that is why I did what I did. And that was the first time I had like a treat yourself day. I would say like in 6 months. Like I haven't had that in depth of like a self-care day in a very long time. So I just want to say, you know, take care of yourselves. That is something that's just really important to me. And so I'm about to go to therapy. Now that I've had a whole day of self-caring, I'm going to have a whole day of like getting my life back together. So I'm going to clean, cook, meal prep. Even though it's only a Saturday, I just like to get that kind of thing done. And then I'm going to film another video of like a makeup tutorial. I'm going to post that to my Instagram. I won't be posting that makeup tutorial here. It'll be a quick clip that I'm uploading probably to Instagram TV. All of these things will be on my platforms on Sunday. So please be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. And in the comment section, tell me what you like to do for your self-care. What's your like go-to thing for self-care? Okay. Thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you next Sunday. All right. Bye.